What's up, Airsoft Junkies? Today we're going to be showing off how to swap out the gasket on a RDX BOSS XM203. In this one, we have a sample model, and we are using the cold weather silicon gasket. But the production model that we'll be shipping out, you'll be getting a black rubber gasket. But to get started, we're going to pop off this threaded cap, and there will be a spring under here. And then we'll pull off this collar that recoils. From here, you can re-lubricate the two O-rings on the inside of here, but the gasket is what we're really going to be swapping out. The best way we found is to kind of pinch and push the O-ring and get a small flathead and try to get it under there. There we go. And just peel off the gasket, like so. Cool. So yeah, ours tore all along this area. And we'll get our new one. And just slip it over. Go. Coolio. And once you're back on there, just go ahead and re-lubricate with some Tech Tea or any silicon-based lubricant. Put the cap back on. And you're all set.